Hi, this is assignment 70 for geometry class, chapter 7-3. The objectives are how to find the midpoint of a line segment and also how to use algebraic tools to explore quadrilaterals on coordinate axis. Okay, so the warm-up I give you from the last, this is 7-65, which is the chapter 7-2 section, and I give you a couple of minutes to take a look, and I will start solving, and maybe then you have 10 minutes to solve. So let's see the timer here. So let's see. So you can pause here if you don't have a time, but this is point M is the midpoint of segment AB, and B is the midpoint of segment AC. What are the values of x and y? Show all work and reasoning. So let's take a look. So if M is a midpoint of A and B, so it must be segment AM equal to segment MB. So what I can write here is I can write down 4x. Maybe I can type 4x minus 1 equal to x plus 8. Alright, so let's solve for x first. So you subtract x from the both sides. So I write down 3x here, and you add 1 to both sides. So it's going to be a plus 1 plus 1. Maybe I should do the same thing for x. 4x minus x here. Okay, so if you do this, left hand side will be 3x and equal to 9, and x must be 3. So plug in 3 here. So 4x is 12. Let's plug in. So let me write down here 4x. So evaluate x equal, let me write down, evaluate x equals 3 to this equation. Oh, sorry. X equal to, God, maybe I need more room. Let me group this, and I move this one a little bit here. Okay, now take a look. Evaluate x equal to 3 to this equation. Okay, so x equal to 3. In that case, 4x. Evaluate x as a 3 minus 1. And this time you have to add those two because they have to be equal to 5y plus 2. Okay, so plus is x equals 3, so again it's 3 plus 8. So 8. Now equal to 5y plus 2. Need more room. Okay. So now we can solve for this. So 4 times 3 is 12 minus 1 plus 3 plus 8 equal to 5y plus 2. Okay, so left hand side will be 11, this is 11 plus 3 is 14, 22. So this is going to be 22 equal to 5y plus 2. So you subtract 2 from both sides, so 22 minus 2 equal to 5y. So it's a 20 equal to 5y. y equal 4. Okay, now we solve for x and y. Okay, take a look. So if you plug in 5 times 4 is 22, so 22. So BC is 22. So if you plug everything here, that was, if you plug in x equals 3, it must be this side is equal to 22. So from here to here, segment AB distance from A to B is 22, and distance B to C is 22 as well. And midpoint of AB is M, so M must be 11 because you plug in 3. 4 minus 1 is 11, and 3 plus 8 is also 11. So that's it. So we didn't need 10 minutes. So I pause here, and I pause the video, and I will upload this. Thank you for watching.